Hey there everyone, I am Siddharth Sahu, and you are watching Coded Worm. So as to begin this front-end web development course, it is very necessary to understand some of the basic and very important terminologies before getting started. So the very first question arises, what does front-end development means? The simplest answer I can explain and provide to you is the way our website is going to look on the web browser. These days, technologies like HTML, CSS, and JavaScript are used by the front-end web developers to create awesome web application and websites. Hold up, don't get confused by the terms like HTML, CSS, and JavaScripts, because in our upcoming tutorials, we are going to learn them quite thoroughly right from the scratch. Till then, get ready to learn some serious web programming. And if you are new to my channel, feel free to subscribe and don't forget to press the bell icon. Thank you.